Upper screws.
First, remove the lever for the hood catch. Press the small lock and pull the lever out. The bumper/grill is attached to the top with 3 screws. Remove all screws.
Bottom screws.
On the underside, the outermost screw of the wheel arch. 2 side screws. And remove the 3 screws in the middle of the bumper.
Screws for the wheelhouse liner.
On the sides, the bumper is screwed to the wheelhouse liner 3 times each. Remove screws. The wheel arch can then be pulled out of the bumper from the side. The wheel arch is only hooked into the bumper.
Screw to the fender.
At the rear end, the bumper is still screwed to the fender. For better access, I recommend removing more screws from the wheelhouse liner. Then fold the wheelhouse liner to the side. The screw is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw. Now you can pull the bumper out of the guide from the side.
Screws from the front.
Pry out the small covers on the front of the bumper. Remove the screws underneath.
Unplug electronics.
The radar sensor for the emergency braking assist is located behind the VW emblem. Unplug it. The radar sensor must be readjusted after assembly. This requires a visit to a workshop with appropriate equipment. From above, you can access the central connector for the parking sensors. It's located on the front left. Here you can also unplug the daytime running lights. Now you can pull the bumper forward and remove it.